Well, I noticed that the stuff we did as lawyers when I practiced law was not actually addressing the conflict. We would find a way to mess with the other side, find a way to do war with the other side. But as for addressing the conflict in a way that people felt resolved it, it just didn't happen when we were lawyers. My method is true mediation, real mediation. It involves the parties themselves having the real conversation, not this strategic, legalistic fight, but the real conversation where they talk about what really matters to them. That's the only way that people can get to a solution that they're really happy with and where they actually feel like things are resolved. Even they feel like justice has happened when they've had that sort of conversation. The transformative theory of conflict takes into account the more central experience of conflict, which is that people are having basically bad vibes with each other. And those vibes can change in a good conversation. People can clear up misunderstandings, they can start to see each other differently, demonize each other less. There was really no one in the country who practiced mediation privately under the transformative theory. So I saw there was a niche there and there was a way to do conflict resolution in a way that was much more constructive, much more likely to lead to good results. Traditional lawyers don't want you to talk to each other.
Lawyers view themselves as warriors fighting against each other. That's going to escalate conflict, it's going to increase distrust, it's going to cost a huge amount of money, it's going to destroy families or interpersonal relationships in order to deal with whatever the dispute is.
When you call lawyers, it works well for them if this takes a really long time, and it can be a long, drawn-out, painful process. They're in no hurry for you to get to any place of peace about it. The more conflict that gets stirred up, the better for them. You know, Dan's aim is to calm all those fires and bring out the best in people and their own capacity to resolve their conflict.
With Simon Mediation, you get to talk to each other, and sometimes you discover pretty quickly that you don't even need my help. This is proof of the efficacy of the Simon method.